Hi guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor FM. Today we received some really good news regarding your driving lessons and driving tests. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button for the latest updates with me, your fully qualified driving instructor. So let's go through the email that I received. So one of the problems my students have been facing, and I'm sure as well as you guys have been facing, is the fact that you guys can't really book a driving test, nor have you been informed about what's happening with your driving test. You just received an email telling you that it's been rebooked. So now it's saying we're inviting candidates to rebook their driving test, meaning they're now going to contact you. So they're saying now on the 15th of July, they're going to contact critical workers in England, Scotland and Wales as regards to booking their driving test if it's been rebooked during lockdown. Okay, and if you're not a critical worker, on the 16th of July, so the next day, you're going to receive an email in England only saying whereby you can book a practical driving test if your test has been rebooked during the lockdown period. Okay, both emails will include a link to book a new test date as the candidate booking system remains closed. So that's the reason why none of you guys can book a test as of yet. It's still closed, but those who are going to receive an email, you're going to receive a link whereby you can book a driving test. The link will only work for people who have been invited to rebook their test. So finally, some really great news for all the candidates that have booked their driving test during the lockdown period and it got rebooked, and you guys are really not aware of what's happening. They haven't really informed you what's going to happen with your driving test. It's just been rebooked to an unknown date. So now they're saying they're going to at least message you and give you a date or give you a chance to book a date that is preferable to yourself. So again, really great news. I know the people that miss out are the ones who didn't have their test booked, or anybody that may have cancelled their test. Unfortunately, maybe you may have missed out. It does say the fact that, the customer service center, you won't be able to call them up. Let's say all of your posts will be shown on the online service. Do not contact our customer service center, as they will not be able to book any alternative test slots. Alright, so you might find it hard to get through to them, but again, as I said, great news for anybody that had the test booked during the lockdown, that now you got a chance of having a test date at least. Make sure you check your emails on the 15th of July for critical workers in England, Scotland and Wales, and on the 16th for candidates in England. Make sure you check your emails, check your spam inboxes if necessary. These driving tests, if you can get a test booked, are literally like gold tickets. We're in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory gold tickets. Anyway, a few more things the email is trying to tell us. One is make sure you're ready for the test. So obviously if you're allergic to chocolate, you wouldn't go to the chocolate factory, would you? So similarly, if you're not able to drive, if you're not ready for the driving test, there's no point taking the driving test and wasting all that money and losing it. Of course, as a teacher, with all the level of experience that we have and seeing all the students that we've seen, we know that students can get a bit too eager. They haven't had enough lessons, or they're not ready, but they think, okay, this is the only test that we've got right now coming up, let's just go for it. I'll give you another example. If your theory is running out, so you got about 2 weeks left, and you think, okay, let me just try to do the test before the theory runs out, but you're not ready, you're just wasting your money. You're wasting all those lessons that you probably have had or haven't had. You might have had a few lessons, but you're just paying for the test itself, renting the car, paying for the test day. It's just a lot of money to waste. And obviously the DVSA know about this, because that's why they sent in the email. On their records, they know how badly a student may feel. They know if a student's not completely ready or not. They have the list of records, so they themselves know. I'll say discuss it with your instructor. If you're not ready, analyze it with him or with her. Try to figure out how you can be ready in a short period of time. If not, it's better to delay it than to try to rush into it. And finally, another important information regarding face coverings. All candidates must wear face coverings when taking the driving test. So make sure you have it, because it seems like you may be turned away if you don't. So there's only about 2 reasons why you can avoid wearing a face covering. One is if you've got physical or mental illness, a disability when putting it on or removing it. And the other is putting on or wearing or removing face covering would cause them severe distress. So these are the 2 reasons why you may not be able to wear the face coverings. But it does say that when you do book a driving test, that you need to let them know beforehand. The email will tell them how to do this. So in the email, it will let you know. Check the gov.uk for further information regarding your driving tests. We will update you on the rebooking practical driving test in Scotland and Wales later on, it looks like. Okay, so again, great news for all those who had their test booked during the lockdown. It looks like you may be able to take a driving test fairly soon, and at least you might have a test date booked. Do watch our other videos about driving to help you out with your driving lessons and your driving tests. We've made quite a few videos. Check it out to help you out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button. And again, good luck with your driving test. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.